Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Kia here from the Kia Makes Etsy shop, from Kia Creates and Inspiring Journals on Instagram, and from the Journal Club podcast. So today I'm going to be showing you through my massive stash of journaling supplies that I've bought for Christmas journaling. So let's get right into it. So I've gone for a kind of dark and spooky twist on Christmas where I can this year. I just thought it'd be fun. So I'm starting with this sticker. This is from Grace Moth on Etsy. And this is a Baba Yaga house. So if you don't know about Baba Yaga, it's like a Russian folklore tale. This house is on chicken legs. There's so much cool folklore behind it. I wish I could tell you all about it, but I thought this just looks so kind of festive and Christmassy, but kind of spooky too, so I can't wait to use that. Next I have some items from another Etsy shop. This one's called Sandstar Art. So look at this sticker, how cute is that? It's like a mix between Halloween and Christmas, with ghosts decorating their Christmas tree with little pumpkins. I just loved it so much that I decided to buy it as a sticker and a card. So here's the business card for the shop and a cute little sticker that came free with the order. And here is the card. I just love it so much. I can't believe I bought myself a card just to stick into my journal, but I really like that design. It just goes with the spooky Christmas theme that I'm trying to create. Next I have some items from Hannah of Full Trades, another Etsy shop. So these are spooky Christmas bookmarks with a spooky Christmas tree and some spooky Christmas presents as well. So they are laminated, so I'm not sure what I'll do with those, but I still love them and I'm sure I'll find a place for them in my journal. Now this is a cool one as well. This is a Yule zine by Angelsdottir Arts, also on Etsy. It came with this really cool print that I love, of like a horn, and it's just all about how this person in particular spends their Yule season, how they celebrate their kind of traditions and customs, and which ones come from, you know, like a long line of ancestors and which ones are to fit with the modern times. And I just find it so interesting to, you know, find out how other people spend this holiday. And of course the art inside it is beautiful as well, so I'm definitely going to scan in some of those pages and add them to my journal. Now these ones are actually from Redbubble. These are stickers by various artists. So the pumpkin with a Santa hat is by Morgana Crafts, and the winter magic sticker is by an artist called Nevada. I really love this. It's kind of the aesthetic that I'm going for with the pumpkins and the Christmassiness. These Merry Xmas stickers are also by Nevada, and this spooky Christmas tree sticker is by Ayana Blakeman, also on Redbubble. I know I'm going through these pretty fast, but I've got a lot to get through, as you can see. So this is a pack from Sticky Club. I subscribed to them during some months, but I got this special Christmas kind of winter pack. It has that Let It Snow bookmark, as you can see, and then quite a few different sticker sheets of beautiful Christmas stickers of all kind of different designs. I really love these kind of ice skating ones, and how some of them are metallic, you can see in the light. I just think they're going to be such a nice addition to my winter journal. I mean, look at those deers, how cute. They'll go really nicely for the Christmas creatures prompt of the winter journal challenge that I'm taking part in and hosting on Instagram. So yeah, I really love these Sticky Club stickers. They always come in this kind of little folder, and then they've got some things in the other side as well, sticky notes and labels and little corner stickers. Look at that bear. Next are some stickers from my shop, Kia Makes, on Etsy. So these Krampus stickers are actually from these designs that my boyfriend drew, these kind of cool, spooky Christmas Krampus designs. So Krampus is like this kind of strange and spooky counterpart to Santa in some Eastern European cultures. I'd definitely recommend giving it a read if you're interested in things like that. So I made some stickers out of it because it's spooky and it's Christmas. And just to show you how I've used them as an example, here's a little weekly planner spread that I made using the Krampus stickers to decorate it, and using some washi tapes from the Washi Tape shop. And there's a lot more to get through. So here we have some Christmas stickers that I just bought from AliExpress quite randomly last year, and then I must have completely forgotten about them because I didn't use them, and then I found them in a random box when I came to sort out my supplies this year, so that was a nice little surprise. So there's a lot of vintagey kind of looking Christmas stickers in here, as you can see, so I'm excited to use those. Now we've had a lot of stickers, so let's look through some paper designs. So I bought these papers from Dinky Ink Shop. They came with some free stickers, as you can see there. I've used Dinky Ink Shop before for some Halloween papers and I really like them, so I wanted to get some Christmas papers as well. So we've got Creepy Christmas, Nightmare Before Christmas, there's Alice in Wonderland Christmas, all kinds of alternative creepy Christmas themes. So I really love these papers and I'm definitely going to use them in my journal a lot. Next up is a Christmas junk journal kit from another Etsy shop called Cornflower Lane Co. So I love how it's in this patterned envelope and it's actually wrapped with these little bells, which is great because last year's journal, as you can see here, I used some little bells on that and it added such a nice festive touch, so I'll definitely be using those for my 2020 journal. So there's so much stuff inside this kit. I was really pleased with the seller because we had a little chat and there was a couple of things that I saw in the pack that I thought that maybe I wouldn't use, so she actually swapped them out for me to some things that I would prefer, and this is definitely one for anyone who wants some Christmas journaling supplies. Like, it doesn't really fit with the dark and spooky twisted Christmas theme of the rest of the things, so if that's not your thing, you'll definitely like this one a lot better. As you can see, there's loads of stickers in here, there's tags, pattern papers. I especially love these little jar stickers, like Christmas in a jar, they're so cute. I'm going to kind of speed it up to show you all of the things that are in here, but there's all kinds of different kits and each one of them is unique, so I'd really recommend checking out this shop. Now, it wouldn't be a journaling supplies video from me without showing you some washi tape. As you all know, I'm a washi tape addict. So all of these washi tapes are from thewashitapeshop.com. They've got some lovely gilded ones in their enchanted Christmas set and some other Christmas ones as well. They've got quite a lot of choice this year for kind of festive tapes. So I'm in love with all of these. Of course, I had to get them all. A couple of them are from a gilded set that I got for Halloween, but since they're shiny and they're kind of spooky and I'm doing like a spooky Christmas theme anyway, everything all fits in together. I really love the ones with candy canes on especially. I just think these look so beautiful and I already know that I'm going to use them up really quickly. So if you want to get any of those for yourself, don't forget you can use my code JOURNALS10 for 10% off. And next I have some printables. I've ordered quite a few printables this year from Etsy shops, so they're either from Vintage by Me or The Torn Page, so they're two different Etsy shops. I'm sorry, but I've printed them off and kind of mixed them up now and I can't remember which is from which, but they're both great shops and they have loads of downloadable designs like these kind of vintage looking Christmas journal printables for you to print off at whatever size you like, however many times you like, and I think they'll be such a good addition to any kind of Christmas junk journal. And this printable is from the Colouring Book of Shadows, so that's not an Etsy shop, that's just a website that I subscribe to. They send quite a few nice little freebies, so this was a Yule themed one for the solstice that I loved, and I'm also going to use this in my journal, so I just had to print it off and show you in this video. And now we're back to some more stickers. So these are actually some of my favourites. These are from Phoebe Shaw Art on Etsy and I really love these. They're like Christmas toadstools, so they're like Christmas colours, red and white, but they're all sort of twisted and turned, and I think they'll go really nicely for some of the spreads that I'm planning, especially for prompts like fairy tale Christmas. I think they'll just look so cute. Look at them, they're so festive, but they've also got like a spooky twist. It's the exact kind of aesthetic that I'm going for, so I'm really pleased with these ones. I have another sticker sheet to show you here. This is a winter folklore sticker sheet, which is totally adorable. It's got some mistletoe wreaths, holly on there, and this is from a shop, an Etsy shop called Plum Tree Illustration, who I've bought from before. I actually bought some pins from them before for my Halloween journal, as you can see here. This pumpkin pin, which I unfortunately broke the top off, I'm dead sad about, a spellbook pin and a mushroom pin, so I really wanted to shop from that shop again because I was so pleased with what I got last time. As well as buying lots of Christmas journaling supplies, I have also been designing some, so this is just a glimpse at some very quick initial rough drafts of sketches that I would like to turn into spooky Christmas stickers, but I'm afraid they won't be in the shop until next year because they'll take me a while. But in the meantime, of course, I've got the Krampus stickers that I've showed you. I also have these cute little gingerbread planner stickers that have some snow globes with my gingerbread house design inside, some close-ups of the gingerbread house, and some square stickers as well. And this is also a large vinyl sticker on my shop. So hopefully you've really enjoyed this kind of look through all of the Christmas journaling supplies that I've got. All of these were bought with my own money, so none of it is sponsored or gifted or anything like that. And now there's just one thing left to do, which is to ask you whether you would like to see inside my winter journal from last year. I thought it might be a nice idea to show you through as a little flip through for my next video. So if you would like that, please leave a comment below and I'll get on making that flip through video for you so I can upload that next week, hopefully. By the way, if it made you anxious to see all of those supplies spread out messily on the table, I thought I'd show you them all stacked neatly in here inside this useful little storage box. So these are now neat and tidy and ready for me to use them and make a mess all over again in my new journal for this winter. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've really enjoyed seeing all of these supplies, and I hope that you'll revisit my channel again soon. Bye!